How to download Adobe Animate for free on PC and Mac. So if you want to download Adobe Animate for free on your PC and Mac, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Adobe. After searching, you need to go with www.adobe.com, which is a creative cloud. Now once you're here, you need to select your location. After selecting your location, it will take you to the web page. Now here, you need to scroll down a bit, and here you will have free trial section. So go with free trial. After going with free trial, now here you will have three options: individuals, business, and student and teachers. So you can simply go with any option that you're comfortable with. And as you can see that here it says that you will have 14 days after your free trial ends to cancel and get a full refund. And you can try the full version of Adobe apps with a 7-day free trial. You will have 7 days free trial. Now you need to make sure that you've clicked this option, which is add a 7-day free trial. And after that, go with continue. Once you go with continue, it will take you to the payment method. And after entering your payment method, after 14 days of using your Adobe, you'll be able to cancel your subscription and you'll be able to get a refund. So you can just simply add your payment method and then go with continue to verification. And after that, you'll be able to use your Adobe Animate for free on your PC and Mac for a month. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.